Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so we got a PS4. I just plugged it in. Let's switch. That's a game which came with this. PlayStation 4 Slim. We've got a problem. It's showing problem with connecting of the gamepad. Okay, so let's switch to the HDMI view. You see, can I start the PS4, connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable. So I see why not, but I need to grab like a USB cable. I could do it, you see, I've prepared everything but this. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so I've connected here to USB to the front one, and let us connect on this side now. This USB cable is good if you do it on one side. Can connect the USB storage that contains an update file for installation version 10.0. Can download the update or installation from PlayStation.com. Okay, so what it is that there is a software issue for some reason. I don't know why there is a software issue, but customer said that that's what happened. Yes, so unfortunately, unfortunately we have to do it, and it's starting the reinstallation. But why it happened, you see, USB storage device is not connected. So I need to contact the customer and ask if they are okay with it, because if they are not okay with it, then we can't do it. I need to let customer know as well that all the games and everything can go off, and if they want me to scan the hard drive for errors, and if there are errors, replace it with another hard drive, or they want blindly to try to reinstall operating system, and if they decide, that that's on them, the risk, then it won't be my problem. I can just make aware customer that there is an issue with a software and PlayStation is asking to reinstall software from PlayStation website. Yes, so I need to let customer know about that, and we can move on. Fingers crossed, no other issues with it, just the software issue. Yes. Okay guys, we've got a green light. I can do what I supposed to do with it. Excuse me. So my disk. Sorry, I'll pause. I'll need to deal. Okay guys, so sorry, I had to deal with my son. Now what I want to do is I want to share the desktop. Can I share the desktop screen capture? Okay, I want to show you here what I'm doing. So you've got this. So we see that my pen drive is FAT32. That's a good thing actually, yes. And let's see if I can put some, where is this? Why I don't see my pen drive here? Documents, Docker devices. That's bad. That's bad. I don't see my device. This, which is connected actually, and which was here. Okay, let's take it out and let's plug it back, because it was here. Let's close this folder. That's weird. It was just fine. Okay, I still can't see. Literally, my devices have changed for some reason, but you see that the drive is okay. You see, these were normally my drives, computer drives, and I had no problems with them. Sorry. Okay, I don't know if you've seen that one, but now we can see it. Okay, so we've got some files. We can actually created. It was PS4 You see, it was, can select, no, you can't see, okay, you don't see everything, that's fine, because you can't see some of the stuff I have, but I wanted to show you, so now you can see everything. Okay, so software update, yes, this one, and how to update, it's an instruction here. Okay, so you see unzip, yes, and create a folder called PS4 with capital letters. That's really important, guys, so don't neglect it. And then inside it, yes, on the USB drive formatted with FAT32 file system, yes, and then create another folder inside it, yes, that's inside that folder, create another folder named update. Okay, so let's do here, so let's create a new folder, PS4 PlayStation 4, and inside it let's enter it. Okay, and let's create new folder which is F10 if you don't know the shortcut, and now update with capital letters. Okay, and now we've got a file which is this one, which has to go inside, and we need to copy it. Let us copy it, and now we can save remove once finished. Okay, 470 update source, it's 472 of 472 copied. Okay, so now safely remove. One more files are open with an application. Okay, so we still got copying going, that's why. Okay, no problem, let us just keep it copying going, and let us move this one. Okay, you can see the rest of the progress. So now, yes, download the file button below. So we've downloaded, saved this file which we are saving just now, plug an USB drive containing the file into your PS4, so that's what we will need to do next. Start PS4 console in safe mode by pressing and holding the power button, and then releasing after the second beep, and then select the mode, update system software, select update from USB storage, and okay. Yes, if no, we will have to download the full version of the, how you call it, of the file. Why you still haven't copied this one? This should finish by now. Okay, so now maybe safely remove. No, still is in use. Okay, so that's a bit weird that it's copying for so long, and it's showing 472 by 472. This is done. Okay, pause and play again. Okay, so it is open. Oh, I need to close what customer wrote, because you will see it. Now we can move it right and safely remove. Okay, so it gone. Now I can switch off the screen share. You can see myself, and we can have this pen drive out. Let's plug it into the PS4 USB. Now switch to the capture. Okay, connect the PS4 controller. Don't know which one will be, or down or up. One way it will work. I know, because this okay, now it should work. Yes, okay. So, right, okay, please wait. Now we get a pen drive with an update. So it should be able to read it. If it won't read, okay, this is not connected, you see. So this USB storage is not connected. This USB storage, it's quite warm here. Okay, so the update is not working, whereas we know it should work. Okay, so we've got an update on the pen drive, and we know it is there. We know it's a FAT32 because I've checked that, and it should work. Okay, come on. If no, I'll download because I don't have for PlayStation. I'll go and I'll download, reinstall PS4 system software, console reinstallation file. Yes, so I'll get the whole file. Okay, I'm getting the whole file. You see, that was the update which failed, and that was the reason why this PlayStation came to here. I would say that although I can put new operating system, I would check this disk. That would be the safe side of it, and I would replace this disk, okay? Because it's no point to, you know, like, to waste the time right now. What would be the point? So I'd rather test this hard drive under the computer. If there's no bad sectors, then I can give it back to the customer, because now we know we've got an update done offline. Yes, so it's fine. So the update is okay. But I would say that there is some issue with the hard drive, because there are two reasons why updates are failing, okay? One is the internet connection. It's not robust, not stable. And second is there is a hard drive issue, or the hardware issue, yes? So these are two common things. And which one it was here, we don't know unless we will test the drive. If we will test the drive and that will be okay, and that's mean there was an issue with connect USB storage that contains an update file for installation version 10 or later. We've got the newest one, okay? We've got the newest one, and we shouldn't have any issue with that. Yeah, okay, still don't have a USB port that's at the back, only has at the front. Oh, that game requires a polish. Has a small mark here in one place. Okay. Oh, come on. Reinstall. Okay, so we've got this. That will show now that it is a problem with this file. We double check it, twice check it. I will get that file to reinstall whole operating. Yeah, it's not connected. Okay, so in that case we need to reinstall a whole operating system. Let's switch it off. Okay, I'll switch it off like that. It's fine. Let me go. I'll do it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm just going to my browser. Okay, I'm removing that old file which we had. I cannot move to the bin, but I'll just delete it permanently. Shift plus del, delete. And now I'll get this file, show in folder. Okay, copy this file, take it to the PS4 update and paste one file. Okay, now this file has 1 gigabyte. Okay, this is not a small file. This has 1 gigabyte. It's almost, I think, because it's 1022 rather than 1024, which would be 1 gigabyte. So I think. If I'm wrong, oh well. Oh no, 1075. Okay, so this time is a bit bigger, so they are adding to this file from time to time something, because the last time I was doing it was 1022. So I said almost, just almost 1 gigabyte. But okay, it's copying, so we can't do anything apart from waiting, and that will be done. You can still see that it's going. Okay, I can remove other files from this pen drive here as well. Okay. Okay, good. And now what we can do is we can wait. Okay, it copied. How much? 1 gigabyte. Okay, so it was copied. That's fine. You get a PS4 folder on this USB pen drive. Inside is an update folder, and let's rename, because I've got here okay, PS4 update.pub. Okay, where are the instructions? There was nothing else. Yeah, okay, everything. PS4 update.pub. Okay. Safely remove. Oh no, it's still used. Okay. Don't understand why, but it is still in use. Okay, it's showing copying status. So we need to wait. Still one file is using, so that means still copying. Guys, I'll pause it. I'll copy it and I'll unpause it because it's taking time. Okay, I've got only a few minutes because I've got only a few minutes. Let's press and hold. Well, power, plugging in power would be useful if you're doing such thing, you know, just saying. Okay, now press and hold. Okay, that's the one beep. Switch to the... Oh, now I can let go. Let's switch to the HDMI. Now we get a file which is reinstall whole PlayStation 4 software on it rather than just update. Okay. Blue. Should be yellow. Okay. Yay. If this won't work, because that usually works, so you'll have to go format it again to FAT32 and then do it again all over. So I won't be taking your time, guys. I'll do it this way. But I will do it offline and I'll come back again. Okay guys, so before I was fed up with how this is behaving, what I did is I took it to the Windows PC. I'm formatting right now with a FAT32. Actually, I formatted with FAT32 because that's what this setup is requiring. But what I'm doing is I'm putting through the what's called full format, okay? Because I know I had an issue before in the past with just like a partial, like a quick format, yes. So I had an issue with that. But now what I'm doing is I'm trying to open this drive, take it out, just one screw here. That's all you do. One screw and that's you. Want to take it out, and here is a pulley, like a ribbon. Yes, you can see the ribbon is here. Just hold this ribbon firmly and pull the hard drive out. Okay, so now we can put it aside. I've got only 2 at home, I can't go wrong. Even without knowing which one it is. I know that one is my one. It's lying in that place for like weeks, so got no time to fix it. True. And let's get this. Let's plug it in. That's an external enclosure, but without the enclosure, so it's just an adapter for the hard drive to the USB 3.0. Let's connect to the USB. Now we don't need this pen drive because I've took even second pen drive and I've wasted only time. So this one is stubborn. I don't remember having such stubborn device. That's why I want to test this hard drive. Okay, because it's abnormal behavior that you know, it's doing what it's doing. Okay, anyways, I've plugged it in. I don't like the noise which is making. Okay, so let me close everything here. Let me open Gparted. Gparted. Partition editor. Okay. Reading okay, I can show you. I don't need a screen. I can share you just my window. Window capture. Good. So Gparted. Okay. So we can see that is searching through drives, and it's reading as well that drive. I can hear it. Okay, I'll pause, I'll let it finish, and I'll look at the pen drive if that one is formatted or not. But it won't be still, but I will see how many percent it's done. Okay, so that one is 20% about, so that will take me a wee while. Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong. So that would be this, because I've got 1 terabyte hard drive. I've got 238, that's my SSD. Excuse me. And there is as well or NVMe. I don't know, but that's the one. Exactly. See how many partitions there is. So many partitions. So that's for sure the one which we need. And what can we do with it? Resize, gpart, date, first devices, view, attempt data rescue. Okay, so at least it's readable, so we know that it's fine. But it's a health check I was trying to do. And I had a software before, it's called, I think, disks or something. Then it was reading and writing to them. Disks, that's the one. Okay, and now this, we need this one. Okay. Benchmark disk. Start benchmark. Number of samples, 100. That's okay. Can be default, that's fine. As long as we can see no errors, we will be happy. I see that you do see the back window, but you don't see the second window. So I want you to see everything, because it's halfway through the test. So let's add another, no, not video, another window. And voila. So we've got another window, I mean. So nothing is dropping to 0 milliseconds or go up to the 50 milliseconds. That's okay. Free space. So no obstacles. Okay. So we know that the hard drive is working, so there is no issues with drop here. Okay, it went below 39 megabytes per second, but it didn't go to 26, so we know it's okay. That's fine. It did drop, but it didn't drop that much, so that's a regular reading, so I'm not worried. Okay, so in that case we can take it out. Okay, we can take it out, no problem, and we can wait on that format, and I'll be back when that one will finish, and we can I'll copy those files again on the pen drive, and I'll initialize the process, and I'll show you during the work how it will be, going. If I'll find any issues, you'll be first to know about it, so you'll have step by step how I've done it. Okay guys, so before that I was having a confirmation that the hard drive is fine, so I've decided to just rebuild database, and it's working. So I went through the questions, so now it's fine. Here are settings which customer can enable that later, yes, because different customers have different needs, and it's a different power consumption and so on. So yes, let me use modify settings, do not accept. It's complete. Yes, so most of the time when you do it, yes, it's fine. It's just that you know, we don't have my user here, yes, so unfortunately that's a bit of a problem. I don't have, my son has a, how you call it, PlayStation 4. Well, I've got one, but I've got no time to fix my one. Always too many. But it is working, you know, so it is fine. What I want to say is there is a network as well. You can see network is fine, connect to the internet. It's quite far. No, it's half of the how call use Wi-Fi. Half of the house. Which Wi-Fi network do you use? Okay, so you see it's finding as well the network, so it's fine. I can say that customer can pick it up. It's okay. I can switch it off. Now this one works. Now I'm disconnected cable. It's a blue light. Yes, so it's fine. You see it's working fine. So let's switch it off. Okay. And let's go to the power. Power. Yes. Turn off. Okay. So I'm putting controller back, and we will see if that will restart, and I can call customer and show the young lad how to do it himself next time when it would happen. Yes, so that they don't have to call me each time when it happens. Okay, that's on the standby, so the white light is flashing. I'll show you that one. Okay, now it's off completely. Yes, it's dead. It was flashing, but it's getting okay, lighter blue, and you've got a logo as you see here. You see it as well anyway, so it's fine. So we've got a blue still, yes, and then light blue, or I don't know, sky blue or marine blue. I don't know what the shade is. Okay. Welcome back to PlayStation, and we've got a white light. Yes, so no errors, no anything. So this I can call it a fix. It took me, you know, too much time because I thought maybe the hard drive will be faulty, but actually doesn't look faulty. So as long as customer will just log in with their details to their account. Let's get this one. Okay, so we've got it connected. Who is using this controller? Yes, user. You see that's PlayStation Network. Skip it, and let's call the customer. Let's say that this game console is fixed, and thank you for watching. If you can, please do like the video and please subscribe if that's possible for you. Thank you in advance. That really helps to this YouTube channel and motivates me to do more videos than just those with repairs for customers, but give you as well additional value, because believe me, that occupies more time, much more time than it would normally. So guys, thank you, and if possible, let's fix them all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.